welcome to Dining Paintings with Cats and Dogs. I have my temperature chart here. I have January all done. I'll flip it over here so you can see it. So I got January all done. It's been pretty much cold, so got all greens and blues. One yellow looks like. I'm all ready and kitted up for February, so let's see where it goes from there. And then I have my Heaven and Earth set up and ready to go, and I will show you some of that later. And that's about it. So just a short, sweet little video to show you how it's been going, and that's it. Thank you. Bye.